In this demo, we will demonstrate how to utilize the length function in FortiSIEM analytics section to identify unusually long command lines, a potential indicator of malicious activity or data exfiltration. Log into FortiSIEM, navigate to the analytics tab and use the to_string function to filter for IP addresses starting with 10.60 network range, and add the length of command function in the group by display fields to identify unusual long command lines, which may indicate malicious activity. Now you can view command lines with varying lengths, aiding in the identification of anomalous behavior. To further refine the search, employ the length of command function to filter for command lines exceeding a specific length threshold, indicating potential anomalous behavior or malicious intent. I hope this video provides a clear understanding of how to utilize LEN function in FortiSIEM analytics section to enhance threat hunting capabilities. Thanks for watching.